As I promised you guys, those two stock I'm gonna talk about. This is the request from you guys. You talked to me about if I could actually have my opinion about them, and as I promised, I will do it today. Two of them actually. One of them is called the Orbital Energy Group, and the other one is called OBSERVA. So we go start with Orbital Energy, and we go and see the fundamental first. So from what I see, the Orbital Energy Group, they actually have many businesses. First, they have orbital gas system, they have the power services, they have solar services and renewable services and the foundation services. So the foundation services like a service to actually for the society. Renewable and solar services is really good because the future is solar future. Even in after Biden administration, they actually put a lot of funds for solar businesses and company. This is just from this I can see a big catalyst and big future for Orbital Energy Group. But from one glass I will see this is have they have a lot of things coming, and the really important catalyst I will see, they have the fourth quarter and full year financial result conference that will be held on 30th of this March Tuesday, guys. This is really important, and this is we'll see if the result is really good. The financial result is really good for the fourth quarter. We're gonna see a big jump and maybe even see the all-time high. And now we actually at the 19th of March, so we just 10 days before this conference. So be careful from this, guys, and I think this is a good catalyst, and the price will go higher is before even the news. So guys, let's go to the technical for Orbital Energy first. And as we can see, the price is really good and is holding this level. Let me see, guys. We actually holding above this technical level. Let's see here. We just dipped for this one. This is a massive dip, guys. This is not usual. This dip is not usual, guys. Not because we actually dip below the 200, at the same time below our technical and high value price. This is really sell off, but it's still we just bought back really fast, and because this one it doesn't respect my level, and there is respect my key levels. But this is always when it happened, always buy back really fast, because this is not the right price. This is oversold price for our stock. That's why it backed back, and it's really healthy to bounce from it. That's why we actually holding this level at $4.95, above the $5. This is the high price value that we still holding, and now we actually have at this level really important. Now really important, guys. We need to overcome this level to go higher. 21 AMA, we actually tested so many times, but we trading below. We need to go above it again like we did here, but we got rejection because we don't have a volume. Now we have to see price to go up, but we're gonna see a bit rejection at $7.50, around $7.70. But I think with the coming days, the coming weeks, the coming 2 weeks, by the next, not the next Tuesday, but the other Tuesday, we're gonna see a big break for this level at $7.70, or even we be trading almost the all-time high at $9.70. This will be after 2 weeks. With the catalyst, if it's good financial report, guys, we're gonna see a big jump from the 9, maybe even we go to all-time high, and we see another level of Orbital Energy, and we'll talk about the where the price will go in a future update. But at the meantime, we want to hold this level at $4.95. We don't want to go below it. This is really important, and from there we have to test this level. We go higher. So now let's go to other stock that you've been requested, guys. It's OBSERVA. Let's go to the company website. And OBSERVA is actually, I really like the goal of the company. If I want to hold the company or I believe in a company, I need to see the purpose of the company. Why? And tell me why. This is the most important thing. The why. This is the, if you want to start a company, start with why. Like Apple, they start with why first. Not the money, not the gain, but just why. For them, they said they want to help women that they're not actually have a problem in reproductive, like they have a problem with reproduction or making like babies, and they try to whole like solve this problem for all the women, because this is really raising problem everywhere. And guess what, there are, and they're not actually there yet. They're still in the current there's like in study phase. And let's go to the technical analysis and see what's happening with OBSERVA. In the fundamental, I really like it because they have a lot of things going on. And let's see the fundamental to make sure if we actually at the right price value for this company. And as we see, as like the technical is kind of have the same as Orbital Energy. We have almost the same technical. We actually trading above our key level at $3.41, and now we close at $3.48 above our key level. And but we have a resistance at 21 AMA, and we tested here. And as Orbital Energy, we have this sell-off, and this is unusual, as I told you guys, but we bought back. This is normal. Now we have to hold this level, guys, really important, above the $3.34. And by the next week we will see if we have a candle above here, perfect. And if we have hold like here, and we're gonna see a bit rejection at before the $4 like we have here, but we need a big volume to support us to go above the $4. This is a really indication for strength, guys. If we go to $4 and hold above the $4, this is really important. Even we go below it, but we want to not go below the $3.77. We need to below at $3.94 or something, but we need a full candle to close above the $4 in order to go all-time high. And after we go to all-time high, we have to wait, be careful, because we might get rejection at this level at $5.44. And as I told you guys, we don't need to go below our level at $3.23. This is really not good to see unless we hold above the 200 AMA, this level. Boom. If we even go back but we bounce from this, is good. But if we go back and we don't hold, we're gonna see this the same what happened here. If we don't see a buyer and big wick like this, big chance that we actually go at this level and we rest at this level. And this will be our key level, our next price value at $2.70 around. But this is big if we actually break from our 200 AMA and we don't bounce from it at $3.25. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my future update daily video, guys, for you. And these two stocks, as I promised you guys, hopefully you see it informative and you like the video. So guys, until the next video, please like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. And hopefully you have a nice weekend. See you guys.